Welcome to Superior Van and Mobility and our tour of the BraunAbility 2019 Honda Odyssey. It features a one-touch key fob with remote start, a power kneel system that lowers the van for easy entry and exit. You'll notice the in-floor ramp will stay out of mind and out of sight for you. It has a 30.25-inch wide ramp with a 1,000-pound weight capacity, and the door opening height is 54.5 inches. Entering the van, you'll notice rubberized flooring that's easy to clean, provides excellent traction, and helps with added noise reduction. You'll notice a roomy interior and extended cabin. The front passenger seat has been removed where you can put a wheelchair, or you can always return the passenger seat to its position. You also have the access of all of the technology that Honda is well known for. This vehicle has been 100% crash tested for the safety of you and your precious cargo.